What is physics? Physics is the most fundamental physical science. It's concerned with the basic principles of the universe. It is the foundation upon which the other sciences like astronomy, biology, chemistry, and geology are based. Moreover, physics played a significant role in engineering fields as well. The beauty of physics lies in the simplicity of the fundamental physical theories and in the manner in which just a small number of fundamental concepts, equations, and assumptions can alter and expand our view of the world around us. The study of physics can be divided into 6 main areas. We have the classical mechanics, relativity, thermodynamics, electromagnetism, optics, and quantum mechanics. Classical mechanics, which is concerned with the motion objects that are large relative to atoms and move at speeds much lower than the speed of light. Relativity, which is a theory describing objects moving at any speed, even speeds approaching the speed of light. Thermodynamics, which deals with the heat, work, temperature, and the statistical behavior of the systems with large numbers of particles. Electromagnetism, which is concerned with electricity, magnetism, and electromagnetic fields. Optics, which is the study of the behavior of light and its interaction with materials. Quantum mechanics, a collection of theories connecting the behavior of matter at the submicroscopic level to macroscopic observations.
Like all other sciences, physics is based on experimental observations and quantitative measurements. The main objective of physics is to find the limited number of fundamental laws that govern natural phenomena and to use them to develop theories that can predict the results of future experiments. The fundamental laws used in developing theories are expressed in the language of mathematics, the tool that provides a bridge between theory and experiment.
For now, we will just focus on classical mechanics, while thermodynamics will be a separated subject to be discussed.
Classical physics includes the theories, concepts, laws, and experiments in classical mechanics, thermodynamics, optics, and electromagnetism developed before the 1900s. Important contributions to classical physics were provided by Newton, who developed classical mechanics as a systematic theory and was one of the originators of calculus as a mathematical tool. Major developments in mechanics continued in the 18th century, but the fields of thermodynamics and electricity and magnetism were not developed until the latter part of the 19th century. Principally because before that time the apparatus for controlled experiments was either too crude or unavailable. That's it for this video. If you want more tutorials, hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!